door card materials. So you can see that this is a darker blue. You can't find that anywhere.
Oh, yeah.
So I had to go with the lighter blue, and I got all this from Hobby Lobby. Got the door cards I got out of California. Fairly inexpensive, and I just recovered everything. Put in the dash pad and all that.
That is cool. Oh, and you got all the original manuals here too.
Yeah.
That is nice. An original dash. Is that the AC down there?
That's a heater.
Heater? Okay, I wasn't sure. Sometimes I remember when I was a kid, they had the air conditioners that would fit down here underneath the dash in the car.
Aftermarket.
Aftermarket deal they would put in them. Yeah.
Yep.
That is pretty.
Well, that's what I had a 47 Pontiac convertible. Dug out a junkyard and restored it, fixed it. Everything worked at the clock on the glove box door. And it was, and the light would light up.
This thing has an idiot light on it.
A Chrysler 1949 Windsor. It has the flathead 6-cylinder in it. It's pretty much the original Jack as is. He just bought the whitewall tires not too long ago. He said those were a little bit pricey. It is a very, very nice car. Very straight and very original. Thank you very much, Jack. I appreciate it. Thank you for bringing it.